Get ready. Start. The Rural Credit Survey Committee, which looked into the entire question in 2001, had made certain recommendations. In the drafting of our plans, the recommendations of the Rural Credit Survey Committee were given due weight. You know that in the ninth five plan, it was stated that at least 50% of the villages should be brought under cooperatives. According to the 11th plan, villages and all the peasant families are to be brought under cooperatives. This is the perspective with which the Planning Commission has looked at the problem. What prompted them to do that was that in the Rural Credit Survey Committee's report, they have said that both through the government and cooperative sources, credits were available to peasants only to the tune of 6%. Through cooperatives alone, it is, I think, 3% or so. The other sources of credit to the peasants are the original money lenders. They have elaborately described all that. One point which they stressed in their report is that even the cooperatives do not cater to the needs of the weaker sections of the village community. They have stated that in villages where the money lender, the trader, and the village chief function through one person, even the cooperative movement is controlled by them in many places. If they are outside the cooperative movement, they will sabotage it from outside. If they are in control of it, they will sabotage it from within. So even the 3% credit which had gone to the peasantry in the name of the cooperative movement did not reach them really. So they made it a point in the report to stress that in future we should see that the credit really goes to the weaker sections of the village community. Now, sir, after the report of the Rural Credit Survey Committee, we have been working for the last few years. I do not think that a proper evaluation has been made as to how the present day cooperative societies are working. As for as expanding the facilities to a larger section of the rural population is concerned, the cooperative movement has succeeded. My point is whether this emphasis that the committee had laid on taking special care to see that these facilities reach all the lower sections has been properly worked out.